Hi guys! So this is the last video of coloring, part 3. First we prepped our sketch, right? And I put all the steps here and then the video how to. Don't forget this is all in course content. Secondly, we added that new layer and added a solid color to our sketch. And third, we are going to do what's called flattening and start coloring in all of the pieces and adding color, right? So we're going to do our pants, our sweater, our hair, our face, and things like that. I think for this week we're going to stop here. I think this is enough for you guys. We are just going to go in, and remember, you're only doing this on one sketch. That's all I want. I don't care if it's the colors that you're working on in your collection or the final, that's fine. This week we're just going to do solid color. We could go in and change it and add patterns, but that's coming in the next class. So here we go. Let me get rid of that reminder. I started what's called flattening, and I did my sweater, right? Then I want to do my sleeve here. So what I do is I take this lasso tool. Now they said you could click and keep clicking on your mouse. When I do that it doesn't work. I could try it again. But I had a really, and this is where your pads are going to come in handy with the pencil. I had to really go around. Now they said you could click, but see how it doesn't work for me when I try and do that. So I'm just going to do this. I'm going to get my lasso in my hand and I'm going to try and stay within the black line. If you don't worry about it. We could go and fix it. Well, you know what? I should have gone down that way. Yikes. Oh, you're kidding. So let me try that again. Edit, undo lasso. I hit the right click. So let's do that. I don't know why it keeps doing that. Hang on a second. Okay. I'm doing something with my hand that I shouldn't. So I'm going to go down, right? I'm going to get that part that I forgot before. Come around. And I know you're probably saying there has to be an easier way. And hey, if you guys come across it, let me know. I tried so many different things, and the other steps in this are so confusing. I think I'm going to have her wear a nice white crisp shirt. So I'm going to go into my color palette, go all the way up there, click OK. Now, one thing, I want everything in a layer, right? So let me add, and I'm going to name it shirt, right? And I'm going to bucket fill. There's something weird going on with my mouse tonight. There we go. White, right? I'm going to go in the next step and add highlights. But that's what I want you guys to do for one sketch. I'm not going to do anything to the hair right now. I'm going to leave the face the way that it is because we're going to go in and paint shadows and highlights and do all that stuff. The hair, I'm not ready to do that. I'm going to work on some brushes and things like that. So let's just keep it simple. Solid colors all the way around. I'm going to do my bag too. I'll show you one more time. Let's do the handle. I'm going to hit the lasso I'm going to go around. You know what? I'm just going to do the handle so you're not sitting here watching me do this forever. And I picked this nice chocolate brown. And then, whoops, what do I need to do? I need to go into layers. I'm going to add another one, and I'm going to call it handbag. Right? And it would be nice if I spelled it correctly. I'm the worst typer. Handbag. Right? I need to get my little fill. I need to do that. And just so you guys know, I always hit deselect after. And if I miss something, I could fix that later. So I really just want you to have nice solid color. We could go in and change it later. I just want the top to have it. If your sleeves have something different, obviously I'm going to do my pants, the other cuff, and I'm going to do the belt, and I'm going to see if I could find like a nice metallic. I'm going to give it highlights so it could really look like metal, and it will come out really cool. All right, that's it for this week. We are off next week. I'm not giving any assignments. You guys are going to have time to catch up, to do this, work on all of the steps, and I don't have it due until, let's pull up the calendar, until the 19th. All right, so listen everybody, have a great week, and come see me in lab if you have any problems. Bye.